What's up, YouTube? We're back today with another episode of fixing what's messed up on Stan. So today we're fixing this rust corner right here. And we're doing this because we're about to redo the back of Stan. We're not sure if this leaks or not. So we're gonna sand it all the way down, reseal it, reseal the whole top as well, all the way around. And we're gonna move into redoing the back of our bed so that way nothing will leak on everything that we're redoing. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here, and Stan has this gnarly stain. He also has this stain here. So this one's more of a rust stain. This black stain, I'm not really sure what it's from. Neither am I with this one. I think it might be from the top. Now we're gonna try to polish it out and we're gonna see how that works. Alright guys, so it looks like the polish is gonna work and get the lines off, or basically not visible to the naked eye. What really sucks though is these lines just showed up like 2 weeks ago. They haven't always been here on Stan, so we're glad that they came off with this because we were worried we were gonna have to paint the whole side. But now we can do the rust repair and not have to paint the whole side and just paint this little ledge here. So dodged a bullet on that one. We're gonna check the inside of the van as well for rust behind the wall. We're gonna make sure there's no rust inside because now is the time that we want to address it and fix it while we're painting everything and have the paint out. So we're gonna go ahead and remove our bed and put it in the hallway here, and then pull the back wall off inside and remove the insulation so we can see if there's any rust. But here's us taking the bed out. Got the trusty screwdriver. You want the bad news or the bad news?
Preferably the good news.
There's only bad news and bad news. First bad news is this bad boy broke off from right
No!
here. Second bad news.
Oh my gosh!
Is that there is rust on that, which means that there's rust in there somewhere. And bad because it's
Rust
flaky.
in where? Oh.
It's the only place it could be coming from.
Okay.
So that may be way worse than you think. That could be coming from the inside.
Show the peeps. So there is rust on the inside of there. He's gonna fix it, hopefully.
Yeah. Just gotta do a little more disassembling so we can fix it. Let's do it. Let's get to it.
So in order for us to get to the rust under here, we have to take these panels off. Now the tricky thing is that these screws are original, so we've broken two so far.
Yeah, these are long screws.
Austin's impression of a giraffe.
What does a giraffe sound like?
Do it again.
First of all,
Do it
what does a
again.
giraffe sound like? Is there even a noise a giraffe makes?
Do it again.
You think that's what holds that up?
I don't know.
Okay, well now you can take this one off.
What's going on, Austin? You're in a pickle?
Yeah? Let's see. Oh, it's too... It's stripping on me. Alright. Time for some real man tools.
guys, so the panel is off and this is the corner we're working on for the rust.
"48 hours later."
Hi peeps, it's the next day. We did not do the rust yet. We are gonna hold off for a couple more days. It's supposed to rain. So instead of that, we are going to be taking out the walls on each side, taking out the insulation, and handling all of that craziness. Yeah.
Let's do it. We're gonna take a pause on the outside of the rust because I think I already explained that it's gonna rain and we're waiting for some stuff from Amazon to get here so we can fix it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna work on the inside. We'll try to put a video here of what the inside of this cavity looks like. Up here in this part on the inside, there is rust. So my goal now is to get in there and try to clean some of the rust out, and then that's what we're waiting on from Amazon is some cavity wax, which helps stop rust and keep it from coming. So we're going to use this now, which is our contraption from Home Depot. You can get a wire brush, and then this is just a flex extension. We got 2 of them, so we can get all the way down this panel, or at least halfway, and then come from the other side. So now we're gonna just start doing that. Put that in there.
We also got some gloves and some masks because there's a lot of particles floating around dealing with insulation, rust, dust, who knows what. Also, excuse how we look, it's 95 degrees today. Humidity is probably 100 in Maryland, and it's a hot day. Is it hot?
It's hot.
So, excuse how we look, excuse the sweat, excuse the nastiness.
Let's take some walls out.
Austin changed his shirt, put his hair up, got his working gloves on. We're good to go. Plenty of moral support from me and you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Welcome. For those of you wondering what we are doing, this is our new wall that we are trying to make. This is the wall we've taken off, and it is actually getting late. So what we are going to do is, we cannot sleep here tonight. We are going to take our mattress and go over yonder to the house and sleep there for a couple days as we're repairing the bed area. So this is us moving the mattress. did was I've removed the screws that were held in and the trim piece, and popped this side back wall off, and we're gonna take out, there's no insulation, so we're gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna take this off to make it look like the first one. Austin pretending like he's doing something. Just kidding. So we took everything out of this part of under the bed. That carpet is grody. That's a bag full of chains and it's wet and grody. This is a battery charger. And yeah, we're gonna clean it, make it all look pretty, get rid of this carpet. The flooring is non-existent. We're gonna add new flooring. That bench is gone now, and now we're gonna be taking out this bench and that, because we don't really get to this section of the house. Tennis racket, camping tent, parts for Stan, tennis ball, heat gun, and some rock climbing stuff. The reason why we're taking all of this apart and redoing it all is because that is nasty. Mildewy, moldy, rotten wood. So this is now what we're dealing with. We took the two benches out and cleaned up. He's disconnecting the water from the water tank, water line. Gonna get this carpet out, move that, move that.
Ew!
Ugh.
Gross.
This is our secret door that we have. That is the carpet off of the flooring. There's a lot of water damage. It's wet. That floor is busted because of how rotted it is. We're gonna peel that one up and do these. That was our secret compartment, and we just realized that the real floor was not the real floor. We did not know it was that big of a hole, but that is our secret compartment trunk floor. This is how we ruined our van, Stan. Today was the day. R.I.P. Austin thought that he could repair this simple rust corner. Simple rust corner turned into gutting the entire van. All of that must come out now.